Okay, so your exam is on next week. Sa next week na ang exam ninyo. And ang scope ng ating discussion will be, sure, hinanet ko. Kita mo ba, Gail? Saan ako? May Sharon Coneta. Okay, balik ako sa aking Jamboard. Okay. So, balikan lang natin yung mga na-discuss natin before about number sequence. Kasi baka nakalimutan nyo na siya. Okay? So, as you all know, a number sequence can either be finite or infinite. An infinite sequence, ano ang clue natin kapag kayong sequence natin is infinite? Ano yung makikita natin dun sa sequence? Okay, yung tatlong tuldok. Anong tawag natin ulit doon sa tatlong tuldok na yon? Okay, very good. Ellipsis. Ellipsis signifies, itong tatlong tuldok na ito, it denotes continuity on the sequence, so it makes the sequence infinite. Therefore, there are infinite values for this sequence over here. But on the contrary, meron din tayong finite sequence wherein there is a finite number of data inside the dataset. So, kapag ang nilagay lang natin dun sa sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we close that bracket already, we can say that this sequence is a finite sequence kasi wala naman na siyang susunod. So, we have 5 finite numbers over here. Okay, so that is the difference. Now, sa exam, I will ask you to identify whether the sequence is arithmetic or geometric. Now, can you still remember the difference of a geometric and arithmetic pattern? Who can still remember the difference? Paano natin masasabi na it is arithmetic or kailan natin masasabi na it is geometric? Yun pa lang sila pa. Yes, Sam. When can we say that a pattern is geometric and when can we say that a pattern is arithmetic? Okay, very good. Common difference. Tama. Okay. So, kapag ulitin ko yung sinabi ni Sam kasi nagka-cut siya. Kapag daw arithmetic, sabi ni Sam, asan na yung lapis ko? Kapag arithmetic, meron siyang common difference. Okay? Pag geometric, meron siyang common ratio. Paano natin kinukuha ulit ang common difference? Minus. Ano ang mina-minus or ano ang sinusubtract natin? Okay. Okay, very good. Second, we have to subtract the second term and to the first term. What about the common ratio? How do we get the common ratio? Okay, we divide what? Okay, very good. And it makes a pattern exponential in form. Ito naman increasing in form or decreasing in form. Depende doon sa um, constant number na ina-add natin or sinusubtract natin. Okay, sa geometric naman, depende doon sa number na iminumultiply natin doon sa pattern. So let's try to determine now, if this number sequence over here, we have 10 number sequence, I'll just leave the rest 5 to you guys. If this number sequence are arithmetic, geometric, or neither. Pag sinabi natin neither, the word no, o wala dyan yung pagpipilian. Okay? So let's have this number 1. For number 1, can we say that this is arithmetic, geometric, or neither of the two? It is arithmetic, okay. Because the pattern is increasing in positive 1, right? We're adding a constant number which is positive 1. So this is arithmetic. What about number 2? Is it arithmetic or geometric? It is. Is it geometric or arithmetic? Okay, it's geometric. Okay. Bakit sa geometric? Try natin. Kung ito kasi arithmetic, isusubtract natin, di ba? So, magiging negative 19 na siya kapag kasi sinubtract natin yung negative 9 sa positive 9, right? Which is not possible kasi ang susunod pa rin namang term is 9. But, if we will divide negative 9 to 9, it will give us negative 1, right? Wherein when we multiply negative 1 to negative 9, it will give us 9. So this pattern over here, we are multiplying a number which is negative 9. And it makes the pattern geometric. Again, pag geometric, meron siyang common ratio. So ang common ratio ng pattern nito ay negative 1. Kuha, guys? Okay, very good. Thank you so much. What about number 3? Is it arithmetic, geometric, or neither of the two? Who says neither? Okay, very good. It's neither of the two. Kahit na i-divide natin to or subtract natin, wala tayong makikitang constant number. So, this is not a geometric and not an arithmetic sequence. So, this is neither. Next, what about number 4? Is it arithmetic pattern or is it a geometric pattern? Okay, geometric. What number are we multiplying? What is the constant number na minumultiply natin? Very good. That's negative 3. Okay, ang galing nyo ah. So we are multiplying a constant number which is negative 3. Very good. Grade 10. What about number 5? Is it arithmetic or geometric in form? Are you sure it's arithmetic? Yes, it's neither. Let's see. Kung arithmetic, we are subtracting. So 1 minus 0 is still 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 16 minus 9 is ilan? Kung ano man yun. Hindi siya arithmetic. Kahit naman i-divide natin yan, hindi rin siya geometric. So, ang answer natin dito is neither. Okay, so yun yung difference ngayon ng geometric and arithmetic. Meron ba kayong tanong mga anak bago ako pumunta sa next slide? Okay, let's proceed to the next slide. Meron tayong classmate isa. Okay. Okay, this one, we would want to find the missing term. So kapag ganito, dito muna tayo mag-focus sa number 1. Okay. Sa number 1, we cannot generate it. Kasi wala siyang binigay na common difference, right? Walang nakalagay. So, ano yung pwede nating gamitin dito? Okay, very good. Yung formula. Kasi, hahanapin muna natin yung geometric mean. Ano nga ulit yung geometric mean? Okay, very good. Yung pagitan ng dalawang number. Ang dalawang number natin dito is negative 1. Okay, yung negative, bakit red? Yung negative 1, tsaka positive 13. We have to find first the second term, or a sub 2, so we can generate the next pattern. Okay. So to find that, we need to use what? The formula for the arithmetic mean. Who can still remember the formula for arithmetic mean? Okay. Please tell your name. I cannot see you guys. What? Say your name first. Sino nakakaalala ng ng formula ng ating arithmetic mean? Yes, Sam. Okay, a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times. Okay, D. D is our common difference. So, in this sequence over here, meron tayong first term and last term. ko-consider nating last term yung 13 kasi yun lang naman yung nasa pagitan nung, nasa end nung missing term natin. So, ang a sub n natin dito is the last term which is the third term. So, ang value ng ating n dito ay 3. We have the first term plus 3 minus 1 times b. Since meron na tayong given ng first term and third term, isa-substitute natin yon para makuha yung value ng ating common difference, right? So, meron tayong 13 and yung ating negative 1 plus 3 minus 1 times d. So, with this, we have 13 minus 1 plus 2d. Anong gagawin natin dyan para makuha natin yung value ng d? Okay, very good. Ito transpose natin yung number na negative 1 sa kabila. Or, magsusubtract or mag-add tayo ng positive 1 dito para matanggal siya and positive 1 dito din sa kabila. And that is the same as transposition. Okay, so we now have 13 plus 1. And dito, since nag-add tayo ng positive sa negative number, matatanggal na siya, may iwan yung 2d. So we have 14 is equal to 2d. The value of our d now is? Okay, very good. 7. Now, since may value na yung ating d, ito na yung number na i-add natin doon sa doon sa first term natin para makuha yung second term. So, we have now negative 7 plus 7 is equal to? Oh, what is negative 7 plus negative 1 plus 7? O, draw natin. Okay, very good. Positive 6. Be careful with the sign, ha? O, next. Since ang common difference natin ay 7, mag-add ulit tayo ng 7 kay 13. So, magiging 20, right? Okay, and after that, you have 27. So, ganun lang maghanap ng missing terms. O, iwan ko yung iba sa inyo. Bibigay ko naman kit de yung Jamboard. Para meron din kayong sasagutan sa bahay. Next, let's have this one. Itong number 13. Sa number 13, given na yung first and second term natin. Pero, hindi siya number. Okay? Ibig sabihin, gamit tayo ng variable. So, sige, draw natin siyang ganito. A plus B. Yung sabi natin, para makuha yung common difference ng arithmetic pattern is that we have to subtract the second term to the first term. So, if we want to subtract the second term to the first term, okay, so it will look like this. Sa algebra, kailangan nating pagtabihin yung mga magkakatulad. Okay, since magkatulad ang A dito and we are subtracting, we just have to cancel this one and we will be left with B. Therefore, B here is our common difference. Ibig sabihin, nag-add tayo ng constant variable which is B sa next term natin. Okay, let me illustrate it properly like this. If our common difference for this sequence over here is B, therefore, since magkaiba sila, so mareretain lang yung B dito sa kabila. Kaya siya plus B pa rin. What if mag-a-add ulit tayo ng isa pang B sa next pattern or sa next term? Anong mangyayari? Okay, very good. Magiging 2B siya. So, magiging A plus 2B. O para dun sa iba, sure, paano nangyari ron? Illustrate natin siya ulit. Ito yung second term natin, mag-a-add tayo ng constant number which is B. So, pag in-add natin yan, meron kang isang B dito, meron kang isang B dyan. So, magiging 2B siya. Since wala namang kapareha yung A, re-retain natin yung A sa baba. Kaya yun yung ating second term. Okay? Next, pag mag-a-add tayo ulit ng isa, ano na yung next term natin? Mag-a-add, boys, Mario, andyan ka ba? Edmar, adata ka pa anak ko. Wala. Tyrone.